Everything's been closed because of all the snow, but guess what? The Goodwill Bins are open today. Let's go make a lap. Y'all, we basically got this place ourselves. Look at this. We can dig. I can film. Of course, the music is loud. Oh, look, this big bell. Somebody painted on that. I'm guessing this is for bananas. Little monkey. Oh, look, this goes together. Somebody made a set. There's always a clown here. Y'all, this one's like 4 feet tall. It's huge. Anybody need a giant clown? What is this? It's a feather fan. It says made in China. Looks older. That's interesting. What kind of feathers do y'all think this is? I think I have this dispenser. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. This Santa's cute. Oh, he's supposed to light up his little Christmas tree. What is this? Some kind of plate with the scene. Oh, this is a pretty bowl. No markings on it. I thought it might say Falstaff, but it did not. Here comes Ren. What you found? A Barbie!
Ren, what's this?
Oh, Ryan has one of these. It's a ceramic, and then you go, to little ceramic places and paint it. And she has one. Oh, look, the cute little dog mail holder. Anybody need a large Indian head? It was $3.99 at Goodwill. Probably be about the same price here at the Goodwill Bins. Look at these bunnies. Oh, she is so cute. Somebody painted the ceramic piece. They did not sign it. I'm gonna rescue it. Okay, what about this guy? He's heavy. I think he's cement. And he has lots of broken parts. I'm positive somebody else will rescue him. I'm hoping. I'm gonna leave him here, but she's coming home with me. My husband just found this Magna light pot. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. These are really expensive, y'all. Candlesticks. These are ceramic. I don't love the colors on them, but I like these for DIYs, and I can paint them whatever color. There's a set of them. I think I'm gonna get both of these for my DIY stash. But I think the speckle is coming back. It's not my favorite. Ooh, look at the crazing on the white. I don't know. Should I paint these, or should I leave them like this? This little end table is cute. It is $9.99. Oh man, never mind. Tons of damage on this piece. Wow, I never see a set at the Goodwill Bins, but this is a set of nightstands. They are fabric, so I don't know what you could do to fix this. You could maybe paint it. They're $10 each, I believe. Yes, $10 each. My husband found this cement bird right here. Actually, it might be terracotta. Very cute. And this is empty, but it is a cool box. So I got that. Oh, I found these gloves too. Are they so pretty? Totally my style. Not too much. Everybody got a little bit of something. I got some stuff. My husband found something, and Ren found lots of Barbies. I'm sure they haven't been getting deliveries with all this snow, so it'll probably be a few days before they really restock with good stuff. But it was fun to get out of the house and come look. Oh, Ren, you got some stuff?
Yeah, I got
a lot of minis. She likes
LOL stuff.
Yeah. Oh, and some Post-its. Oh my gosh, y'all, Post-its are so expensive. So y'all stay safe, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure.